Good morning. I am in fact really tired this morning because I stayed up till like gone 2 a.m. I had one of them motivational bursts where I thought it was my role to just change the course of humanity. And then my brain's just woken up today and been like, nah, JK. But yeah, it is a Sunday today, so I hope you enjoy spending the morning with me. I've gotten dressed and I've put on some exercise clothes because I'm gonna go running later, not for like 2 hours, because I like to eat in the morning and let my food go down, because if I don't get into these clothes first thing, I am never gonna get into them. So here we are. We just got some grey Nike leggings on and like sports bra, and this is a H&M sport sort of top. I am starving, so let's go eat. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth and I'm gonna do some skincare. Annoyingly, I've had a big spot pop up on my chin overnight. Don't know why that's happened, but anyway. So for cleanser, I really like the Inkey List. So I'm gonna take the Inkey List Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. I also take the Oat Cleansing Balm quite a lot when I want to remove my makeup, but I'm gonna use this today. Next thing I take is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. One, it comes in a really pretty bottle, and it is also a really nice sort of hydrating, non-stripping toner. Some toners can be very harsh on my skin, but since I've worked to improve my skin barrier, it has really improved my acne and just the health of my skin. So it does say to use a cotton wool pad, but I don't know, save the environment and all that. So I just put it on my hands and just sort of rub it and pat it on. Does the trick. Trust me, we're almost done. So the next thing I take is the CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Moosing Power Essence. This bad boy, great again for repairing your skin barrier and just making your skin look healthy and hydrated, really. So I just take like 2 pumps of this and just put it over my whole face. I am just going to let that sort of product absorb that's on my face, but I do have the Inkey List Omega Water Cream, sort of like a moisturiser, to put on once it's all sunk in. So I'll do that in a moment. Okay, so my bedroom isn't the tidiest at the moment. We're gonna do a quick 15-minute run around and pick things up, put things away, etc. So I hope you enjoy this little time lapse. I think I have a problem with moisturiser. Yeah. So it's about 9:30 now, and I did eat breakfast at like 9, so I do normally wait at least 2 hours after I've eaten breakfast before I go on a run, because otherwise I just feel like everything's sloshing around inside me and it just really puts me off. Honestly, I don't know how people run after they've eaten, and I don't know how people run first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, because I wake up starving and have no energy for that. So I'm gonna wait for my food to go down, and in the meantime I downloaded Magnolia Parks onto my Kindle and I'm really excited to read it. I've heard really good things, so I think I'm just gonna spend some chill time starting that book, seeing how much I can get through in about hour and a half, hour and a quarter. So I also filled up my water bottle. I'm determined to drink all this soon, so I'm hydrated for my run. Okay, so the plan is to run at 5k today. I'm not like the best runner ever, so don't expect any great times or anything. I'm just sort of getting into it now, and I think I'm going to try and do a park run next week for the first time. So I want to do a 5k today to see how I get on. It's not going to be super fast, so don't expect a lot from me. I'm actually like a little bit nervous to do it, so I think to go along with it, I'm going to listen to Emma Chamberlain's podcast, and I haven't yet listened to We Have to Fail Sometimes part 2, and I really liked part 1, so I think I'm going to listen to that, and that's 32 minutes. So I'm normally hitting around the 35-minute mark for a 5k, pretty much cover the whole run. I'm just gonna do some like active stretching warm-ups, and I guess I'm gonna go. I'm really trying to get myself amped up for this. I'm low-key nervous. I'm gonna go. Wish me luck. That was surprisingly hard. Can't lie, that was really hard. And I didn't quite do 5k. I did about 4.5k, which is still really good. But as you can see, I am very red and sweaty. I need some water. I think I went a bit too quick out of the blocks. I was like very motivated, so I did a really fast pace straight away and banged it out for about 3 kilometers, but I got to sort of, I don't know, 3.5 kilometers and just, oh, it hit me like a train. So I had to walk for a bit, and I ran the last like half a kilometer and I just couldn't do anymore. So we did 4.5k. I'll show you, these are the stats, I'll put it up. But yeah, so it ended up being more a 7-minute pace, whereas like straight away, you can see I was doing like 6 minutes something, and there's suddenly an 8:56 where I had to walk. Anyway, still really glad I went out and gave it a go. I just need to watch my pace for the next 5k because my body's not ready to do a 6.5-minute pace. I am so sweaty. Oh my God. So what I always do after a run to sort of refuel is have a smoothie. So let me give you a bit of a tutorial for the sort of smoothie I've been having. I'm all over the place. Okay, first thing I chuck in is a banana because that is really good post-run sort of energy. So I use a whole banana. And I do like some frozen fruit. So recently I've gone for mango, pineapple and papaya mix. I might just use all that's left. I really like tropical at the moment. I have been putting some of the Outpro protein Greek yogurt in, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna have to make do. I'm gonna put some oat milk in because I like it creamy. Spinach is also a really good option to get some greens in. Don't have any of that either. A really good way to get some fuel in is some nut butter. So I'm gonna take this smooth peanut butter and I'm gonna take a pretty big spoonful of that. And another thing I've been into is taking sort of a heaped half tablespoon of chia seed. They are very good for you. I'm not sure what it is. Something about like omega-3s, fatty acids. Yeah, they're meant to be good for you. Normally mine look a lot more, I don't know, packed than this. I just don't have that many ingredients at the moment. It's not that appealing looking today. It smells really nice. I can really taste the peanut butter in this. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a bit thick for this straw, but I'm sure it'll melt a little bit. I'm gonna enjoy this and just chill. Catch you in a minute. Okay, so now I've sort of, I'd say cooled down, but I still look really red and shiny. Refueled, rehydrated. I'm now going to have a shower, freshen up, and get on with the rest of my day. That has been my morning. It is 12:10, and I feel like I've had a really nice, productive morning. I hope you enjoyed following along with me this morning, and maybe it's motivated you a little bit to do something, maybe take some time for yourself. It's a nice, chilled Sunday morning vibe. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.